Hello and welcome to LS Tasker. Service Marketplace Script. Service Marketplace Script is an application that allows service providers to connect with the customers who are looking for specific services. With the help of Service Marketplace application, customers can book professional home services such as appliance repair, home cleaning, furniture repair, carpentry, etc. Service requests which are placed by the customers will directly get listed for the service providers who are top rated and purchased a membership plan already. Service providers can approach the application admin to add new services which they are providing for their city. Customers can search the services by selecting the location and by entering the services which they want to take. They are also able to view all the main categories over the home page. Login. Customers can register and log in over the Service Marketplace script through manual registration and login process. They can register and log in through Facebook and Google accounts too. Payment history. All the service requests which are booked by the customers, their payments records will display in the Payment History tab of the navigation drawer, along with Mode of Payment. My Bookings. All the service requests booked including ongoing or accepted or cancelled are displayed here. Place service request. Customers can place their service request by selecting the category, packages and add-ons of that category as per their requirement, and then they will have to select the location where they want that service to be delivered, date and time when they want that service to be done. After that, they can do either the payment through PayPal or credit debit card or take the service for cash on delivery. Let's move with the service provider part. My availability. Service providers are able to set their availability for any day and time. Assigned service request. Service provider receives the service request placed by the customers only for the categories for which they are providing service. They can also add their service category for a particular country and city. Assign service list. All the service requests which are added for a particular city and category will be directly received to that service provider. This will be received on the basis of service category, city, and availability of that service provider. Service providers either can accept or reject those service requests. My Booking. All the accepted service requests display over the My Booking page. Here the service provider is able to see all the ongoing service requests in the Ongoing tab and completed or cancelled service requests display in the History tab. Plan listing. Service providers can purchase the membership plan so that they will receive the service request placed by the customers before other service providers, and the purchase plan history will be displayed below the plan listing. Now, coming to the administration part. Administrator can access all the details including activity graph of the service request. They easily know how many customers and service providers are registered over the application. What is the number of service request was placed by the customers. They can easily navigate over the customer, service provider, payment, category, package listing pages through the dashboard. Configuration. Admin is able to manage configuration details like able to update the username, password and email address related to that admin account. Manage site setting. Admin is able to manage the site settings through which they are able to update the site title, contact details, logo, social media links and payment details. Manage customers. Admin is able to manage all customers and service providers which get registered over the Service Marketplace. Admin is also able to add new customer and service provider from their end and can activate, deactivate and delete the customers and service providers. Membership plans. Administrator is able to manage membership plans. Service requests. Admin is able to view all the service requests placed by the customer over the service request list page. Manage service categories. Admin can add the service categories from their end and are also able to edit, activate, deactivate, and delete the service categories. They have to select country and city for which the service providers are going to provide that services. Manage packages. Administrator is able to add and manage packages for the selected city and category. Manage add-ons. Administrator can also add and manage the add-ons for the packages. We also have Android and iPhone native mobile apps for this application. Please request demo access for the product page on our website and you will get live demo details by email. Thanks for watching this presentation.